Right, but one might argue that maybe physical sciences don't have a tika for rape yet, but the social sciences, whether it's psychology, sociology, social scientists can. You. My point is that spirituality. Why is that the only answer to these societal problems? Social scientists that can identify these issues. Obviously, they're not physical, but they can research into the root causes and goodness and these traits of compassion and moral education. This is not limited to spirituality. You can have people that there are religious people that aren't all irreligious people aren't rapists, or there are good irreligious people or non-religious people. But why can't social sciences do the job? Psychologists, sociologists.
Because they are not able to do.
Right.
As social science is developing, rapes are increasing. You are not able to do. That's why. So simple. It's not that you are able to solve, then you don't need me, I will not come to you. But you are saying that there is existential crisis. That's why I am telling you. In spite of having your social science, in spite of having your all these so-called education, the scientific education, everything you have, but you are saying that there is existential crisis. We do not know whether another 50 years will be living or not.
Right.
That's why we are saying that try this.
Right, so what I'm understanding is, despite these social scientists, and they've existed for several decades or
Problems
more
are
now,
increasing.
Problems, rapes just increase every year.
It's increasing.
Right.
You can see the greed is increasing, corruption is increasing, rape is increasing, the food crisis is increasing. So many problems are increasing. And it's not that there is something lack in the scientists' effort. They are trying their best to give best thing to the people, but still the problems are increasing. So we must find out some alternative. Like I would say, if you look at the, I am guiding the youth since last 15 years.
Yeah.
In my touch till today, 10,000 or 15,000 youths I have guided. Not even one of them have committed rape. I can say with the 100% surety. And that not one of them have committed suicide in my entire 15-year career, whom they have come in contact with us.
Yeah.
They are attending our classes. They are becoming thoughtful people. They know how to handle the problem of life.
Mm-hmm.
What proof you need? So this proves itself that spirituality is helping people to become better personalities. It is helping already. I am saying with my own experience in my life. I am guiding the youth.
Mm-hmm.
They have. I am not saying that they don't have the desire for lust, but they have. But they understand how to handle them so that it not go to the too much extreme.
Right.
How to control that, and that education they have, and through spirituality, through meditation, they are recovering. There are hundreds of cases. Even the addicts, like there are people who were smoking too much, and they got connected to spirituality, and now they have left, and they are leading a very peaceful life.
Sure.
So that is the proof itself that spirituality works. But the only thing is that it should be given in a scientific manner.
Mm-hmm.
The today problem is that, as you say, mentioned that the many spiritualists, they themselves are corrupt. Not only spiritualists. In any field you go, they will find some corrupt people.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean that field is wrong. Some scientists are corrupt. They sell the technology to the terrorists.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean that science is corrupt. It's that particular person is corrupt. So similarly, some corrupt people come in the field of spirituality, and they self-proclaim themselves that they are gurus.
Yeah.
But there are no standard parameter through which they are trained properly. So therefore, such people should not be made guru. Just like such people should not be made IAS officer. Such people should not be made scientists. There should be some character test, some aptitude test before they even are allowed to enter in this field.
Sure.
Isn't it? Like you have aptitude for entrance test for everything.
Yeah.
There should be entrance certain test for the gurus also.
Yeah.
If that is not there, and that is there, that such kind of test is not there. Today you see the situation. Where is the taste for Guru? Who controls this? Who regulates this department?
Yeah.
Nobody regulates. So you just see, if nobody is regulating, how much corruption can take place. That's why the spirituality also has to be regulated through laws by governments. Now government should, just like government is making traffic laws, regulating traffic, regulating, there are some policies, standards for, colleges, education. There are policy standards, who can become professor, who cannot. Similarly, there should be for spirituality also. And because that is not there, it is left on the individuals, therefore so much corruption is there. Even in spirituality, scrupulous people enters, penetrates the spirituality,
Yeah.
and they create havoc. And that's why spirituality is, and then people project spirituality as bogus, using that as a case,
Exactly.
like that. So that is the reason.